Today in this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually cash in on Halloween. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach entrepreneurship, making money online, as well as affiliate marketing. So if any of those things interest you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, in this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you how you can actually cash in on different holidays, such as Halloween, and actually make a lot of money by cashing in on these big events, these big holidays that people actually spend millions and millions of dollars on. I'm going to show you here in this video. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys. So I'm here at this website called shareasale.com. Now, this is an affiliate network that a lot of people don't really know about, and it's very highly underused, but they have tons and tons and tons of products. And it's not just digital products and services. They have a multitude of actual physical products. It's actually more physical products than it is digital products and services. So if we log into ShareASale, it's actually free to join. You can sign up as an affiliate and you're going to be able to sell, so many different products, right? So I've already logged into my account here, and you can just see here they have tons and tons of niches, from art and music and auction services and books and business, clothing, and then they have computers and family and financials and food and games, gourmet, health, insurance, legal, marketing. I mean, you can just go here and look at all of these different categories, and I'm sure whatever your business is, you can find products to sell. So what I really wanted to show you is that, so this month we are going to have Halloween. Now, I'm not a big Halloween guy. I don't like dress up or anything like that, but I know that millions of people love Halloween and they love dressing up and going out trick-or-treating and everything like that. So what you really need to do during these holiday times is you got to think like a business person, and you got to capitalize on the actual holiday. You got to capitalize on the opportunity when people are actually spending a lot of money on these specific holidays. So Halloween is actually coming up in a few weeks. So what I did was I went over here to the keyword search and I just typed in Halloween costumes, right? And then I hit go. And then it's going to search the website for different Halloween costume websites that you can actually sign up and become an affiliate of. So you can see here, it pulled up a multitude of Halloween costume websites here, and I can click on any one of them, right? So I can click on this one. And this says HalloweenCostumes.com. So this is an online Halloween costume store. So in the last 7 days, for each sale that's been made, they've averaged around $60 per sale. And you can actually make about $6 for every commission. I actually saw down here that they pay about 10% on everything that you sell. So you're going to make about 10% commission rate on, the gross total of what you sell from this site. And then they're getting a conversion rate of 5.16%, which I believe is a pretty good percentage for, online Halloween costume store. And you also get 30 days worth of cookies. So if somebody clicks on your affiliate link, and if they buy anything within that 30 days, you are going to get the credit for this. Now, you can go ahead and click through to the website to kind of check the website out. And you can see that they have tons of Halloween costumes for men and women and boys and girls. So, what you can actually do with this, guy. So again, we're talking about capitalizing on opportunity, capitalizing on holidays such as like Halloween. If Halloween is in a few weeks, you can start promoting this website, right? If you have any sort of social media following, you can post it on your Facebook account. You can actually take some pictures of you dressed up in your Halloween costume, and you can post it on your Facebook account. You can post it on your Instagram. You can post it, on Twitter. You can make a YouTube video about Halloween costumes and just recommend that people go to this HalloweenCostumes.com website, which is going to be, of course, your affiliate link. And they're going to click through to your affiliate link, go to this website, and hopefully purchase a Halloween costume. And then you actually start making commissions on that. So if you have any social media presence, or maybe you just have like a group of people that you can, advertise this to. So say, maybe it's a group of your friends or a group at your job or maybe at your church or something like that, where you can say, hey, let's all get Halloween costumes. I'm going to shoot you guys out this link. And you can actually just start capitalizing on the actual holiday itself and make some easy extra cash just for people dressing up in Halloween costumes and going out and trick-or-treating, which they actually love to do. And you can probably also find, other stores within here that sell candy. I could probably type in candy here at the top of the search field. Let's just try to do that really quickly. And we're going to type in candy just to see if there's any online stores that we can become an affiliate with for candy. So not only can we sell Halloween costumes, but we can actually sell candy. And right here, you can see the candystore.com. We can click on that. And again, look at the average sale per sale is $86. So again, this is the time to be selling, these opportunities. It looks like the average commission rate is pretty low, but that's just for this site. You can check other sites out. And if people are buying in volume, that percentage can grow. And this could be an easy way to just kind of make some money for the Halloween holiday without you really having to be like pushy and salesy, because people are going to buy costumes anyways. Why not through the online websites that you recommend to them, right? So hope you guys got some value from this video and understood what I was trying to say. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. And if you are interested in making money online with the affiliate marketing, I'll have my #1 recommended way to make money online in the description below. So make sure you guys check that out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.